Here at Jackson Civil Engineering, we deliver important infrastructure projects that are necessary to support a healthy, sustainable society. But we are also aware that high-profile engineering projects do not happen in isolation. In many cases, local residents and businesses will have strong feelings about the impact of construction, and it is vital that any company delivering a project goes above and beyond simply doing the work. It is essential that they offer additional value in terms of community engagement, communication, and participation. By planning community engagement from the outset, it is possible to ensure local people feel involved in any scheme. Potential negatives can be turned into positives. Legacies beyond the build can be left. Jackson is proud of its record of engaging with young people of all ages. Where feasible, we offer the opportunity for school groups to visit our sites to see firsthand what civil engineers do. Our engineers also carry out school visits to talk about their jobs, explain how they got into the industry, and set students engineering challenges. These interactions have real academic value, but also get youngsters thinking about the world of work. We have also worked with schools on art projects using our schemes as opportunities to teach young people about the environment or their local history. When it comes to careers advice, Jackson also has a team of trained STEM ambassadors who often give up their own time to attend open days, parents' evenings, and careers events with a view to informing and inspiring the engineers of tomorrow. We offer work experience, summer and industrial placements, as well as apprenticeships across all the regions where we work. We know communication is key when working amongst the community, and we are experienced at delivering communications across a variety of channels to a range of different stakeholders. A good example is the work carried out by Jackson Public Liaison Officer Shannon Acton during our work widening the A2300 trunk road in Sussex. Shannon organised a number of public meetings ahead of the project, then each week emailed a progress report to residents, businesses and councillors. On a scheme of this nature, complaints and objections are to be expected. It is how they are resolved that the success of the public engagement strategy should be measured. Shannon logged every concern on an Excel spreadsheet, which she shared with the client and used the traffic light system to process the concerns. More good examples of communications can be taken from our ongoing scheme for the Environment Agency on the Ouse Washes in Northamptonshire. We supported the EA in putting together public exhibitions, notice boards and the production of an information video for a virtual exhibition during COVID. In terms of supply chain, central to the Ouse Washes project is Jackson's partnership with earth moving specialist company Mick George, which ensures all vehicle movements take place on haul roads across private land, so as not to burden the public highways. Another example of the social value that working with our specialist supply chain partners can bring us is our work to develop ultra-low carbon materials, such as asphalt and concrete. Most recently, Jackson brought together partners to manufacture low-carbon reinforced concrete and deliver impressive CO2 savings of up to 88%. Where at all possible, we engage local firms with a pledge to ensure that on any given project, 80% of our supply chain is based within 50 miles of the site. This helps to support local economies and the communities where we work. Our environmental engagement work includes holding a non-native species awareness day for clients and partners at Perry Bar in Birmingham. We have organised a Volunteers Day with a local conservation charity, and recently we repurposed some work tablets which we donated to a forest school near Ipswich to help with their outdoor learning programme. Every Jackson employee is allocated a volunteer day each year to take off and use for a good cause. Other good deeds include a site team donating goodies to a care home at Easter, and head office worker collecting hampers of food and pampering items for a homeless shelter in Ipswich. It's what we call good works.